Hey guys, Nerdy Hiker here. Just taking an afternoon nature trail, really. It's not so much hiking. It's just a nature trail with the Goo Crew. See them behind me in all their gooey glory? That didn't sound good. Anyway, so we're just gonna take a nice little afternoon to just do a little nature trail and enjoy the great outdoors. Funny thing about bringing kids out to hiking is you find water, they want to play in it. You know, why not? What kids won't want to play in water? So we have absolutely no changes of clothes at all. Not even in the car, nothing like that. I didn't prepare. This was a last minute thing. You tell them not to get too deep because their clothes will get wet. Guess what they do? They get deep and they get soaking wet. So now the kids are wet and they are soaked. We have no changes of clothes. That's gonna be fun when we get home. Bit of a mess there. I've had people ask me, what's it like taking kids on the trail? You know, is it hard? Is it difficult? No, I wouldn't say it's hard, but you tell them not to do something, 9 times out of 10 they're gonna do it. You tell them not to get soaking wet, they are dripping. So they are now muddy and wet when I told them to try to stay dry. So yeah, here we are. But hey, it's the good old South. That's the fun of it. Like right here, you tell him to try to stay dry and he starts splashing away. Tell little man there, right there. You tell little man right there to not get into the water or not to get deep in the water. He is soaking wet. So, it's gonna be fun. So I guess we're gonna play in the water, splash around a bit, and just try to enjoy life. You only live once, right? So, all right. I don't know about you guys, but I love it out here. It's quiet, it's peaceful. It is, I mean, it's created by God. It's beautiful. Kid's a natural. He's 2. Well, soon to be 3, but he's a natural. Look at this. Another thing with bringing kids hiking is you're trying to get the serene image of the pretty landscape behind you, or drop off in this case, but you got the kids in the background stomping and hollering, and we're having a good time. Trying to get a good picture. Oh, I'm falling. Trying to get a good picture of the landscape with the kids screaming in the background. It's it's kind of comical, if you ask me. I think it's kind of funny. Whoa! Isaac, what you doing, buddy? What you doing?
Hey, Simon!
You gonna jump?
Hey! I'm gonna like this one.
Kids will be kids. We have stumbled upon a frisbee golf pad. See, that's what I'm talking about. Trying to be nice and quiet, and they're just arguing and yelling. That's a kid for you. Anyway, like I was saying, there's a frisbee golf course out here, and I completely forgot about it. I used to come out here when I was a teenager. I don't know why I forgot about it, but I did. Daddy brain, or I'm just stupid, I don't know. But yeah, totally just stumbled on the frisbee golf course, so it's pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna road hike it the rest of the way back to the car and get a little something after the trail. We all know what that means, right? A little ice cream engine. I'm not gonna say it out loud because then they're gonna hear it and get all excited. So. So we're back in the car in the AC. Thank you so much for watching. It's just a nice little day, or not really a day hike, more of a nature trail, really. But we're here at the Trussville Sports Complex, for those of you wondering, here in Trussville, Alabama. So if you like the video, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post another video. Like, subscribe, leave some comments down in the comment section below. But until next time, I'm the Nerdy Hiker, that's the Goo Crew, and you know what time it is? It is time to make the cream run.